thing we do sa Academy is to challenge our other academies. So, I chose a song that will definitely challenge you and challenge them. At palagay ko, yung lyrics ay bagay na bagay sa'yo. Kaya for you, I chose a piece of...
Oh my God!
You know that song?
Oh yeah.
I love Barbara.
That's not! Sa aming pagbabalik, isang mahalagang announcement na di pwedeng palampasin. Dito lang yan, sa WPTL!
Labo ni Sir Mo.
Guys, ko talaga si Sir.
Yay!
Sa pagbabalik, meron pa?
Palood naman.
Kinabahan yung mukha niya.
Na-stress.
I will be leaving you with my next song. And this song is heartfully dedicated to our honorary scholar na si Boy. At sa kanyang challenge na scholar. Yes! You heard me right! Meron na namang challenge si Boy ngayong Sabado. Para kina Boy at Bugoy, itong meeting for performing mo sa darating sa mga
Ganda. Boy. Bugoy.
Happy ko!
DJ Monet!
First Tagalog din. Oh, second.
Yay! Woo!
Ang dami kong aaralin!
Miguel, help me with my song. I don't it sounds familiar.
May inter...
Tanging inaawit.
It's our FS.
Yeah. Casting it.
Oh, this dancing, parang salsa. Ah, really? Oh, awesome. Guys, there's corn! Oy! Sino kumano ano ko dito? Lyrics. Mga tita!
Hold on.
Ilang mga bombang nakatutok sa ulo mo. O, bakit tumalong ka? Dumapa ko
Hold on.
What? Materials? Kala ko ano? Kunin sa storage room si RRJ.
Oh my God.
Right. Door, please. Ay, wala.
CD yan, CD. That's the challenge.
Oh, yun lang, meron pa.
Hoy. Miguel. Gayon.
Spain!
Ang dali lang.
Spanish. Spanish.
Narni.
God.
3 pages ka.
3 pages na naman.
2 pages ka.
Ah.
2 pages.
Mahirap yung lyrics ni Bugoy.
Bugoy. Oh, thank you. Bantot.
Good luck sa akin. Sa atin?
That's so nice.
Best of my love.
Hindi mo rin ba alam yung song?
You're gonna have fun with the song.
Believe me, you're gonna have fun.
You're gonna have fun with that song.
So, dalawang kanta?
Lady Marmalade.
Hindi. Sa'yo lang. Ito kay
Hirap ng song.
Nasaan yung kay Chris?
Sweet Love. Ay, ito.
Statue.
Piece of Sky.
Isa lang?
Oh, 2.
Piece of sky.
Narito.
Thank
For
you.
Bugoy and Poy. Kayong share.
Lisod ka kung kanta na. Taas kayo.
What does this?
Bantot.